Today we are making brownies. I need the brownie box. I'm back. And this is the brownies. Anyway, I am allergic to peanuts. Basically all nuts. So got to read the package to make sure that there's nothing in there. No, there are no nuts in the brownies. Let's get cooking. Gotta read the instructions. 2/3 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of water. 2 eggs. Let's get cooking. Darn it, that was supposed to be smooth. Let's get cooking. First, we must preheat the oven to 350. And yes, I already washed my hands. And I'm sunburnt, so sorry if I'm red. Before we start making the brownies, we have to grease the pan. I'm not good at this. I'm bad at this. You use a paper towel to spread and evenly Nis. It looks decent. You don't want your brownies to stick, so it doesn't taste that bad. Okay. Okay guys, so I already opened the brownie mix packet. You could see my reflection in the bowl and it's kind of funny. But anyway, first we gotta add the brownie mix. Okay, now we need 2/3 cup of oil, so I'm gonna do that now. Vegetable oil to be precise. My sister is staring at me. Now we gotta add. Now we gotta add 1/4 cup of water. Now we must add 2 eggs. So I'll be back when I get the exact amount of eggs that we need left to make this brownie. Let's ninja the eggs into the bowl. Ninja. Now the next one. See you when the next one is finished. Our oven is preheated, and now that we have everything ninja'd into the bowl, I'm gonna go get the mixer. So easy to mix, but first I must plug it in. For the background noises, but now I must be a chef and mix it. Ow! You put it in there. Ooh! I'm fine. I'm a noodle. Stay. Let's scrape the sides. Why are you laughing at me? And make sure that there's no powder that's unincorporated. Why are you laughing at me? Why? It looks pretty delicious. Here, I'll give you guys. Look at the deliciousness. Literally all over my arm and all over my shirt, brownie mix. Now we need to get the brownie mix and put it in here. It's greased, so hopefully the brownie mix won't stick. Okay. Ooh, I'm not good at this at all. It's very heavy. So we must spread evenly. Because if you don't, that's bad. Can you see me? Okay guys, so now that we have this delicious brownie mix in here, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Our hot oven is preheated, so let's put it in. Don't want to let all the air out, so we're gonna and now we're going to set a timer for about 25 minutes. Brownies are in the oven, and I will update you guys when I go check to see if they're finished. So I checked the brownies. They should be ready in like 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay guys, so it's a few days later. I totally forgot about this video. So that's why the brownies are like half eaten. So yeah. Bye guys. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button. The brownies are really delicious.